Hello. Today we are going to learn about how to create accounts, different accounts in our computer using the CMD. First thing we are going to do, we click on first button, that is this key which is here. Then we write CMD. Then after writing CMD, we open as administrator. So this is when, after opening clicking on to open the CMD as an administrator, then click yes. Then we enlarge this. Then we are going to use the command net user. We write net user so that we see how many accounts we have in this machine that I'm using. In this we have administrator, the default account, and the guest. And then we create an account which is user, net user. Then we name it comp, and we put our password, which is 0000. Then we enter. Then we click again. Net user. Then we name it comp. Then 000 is our password. Then we add. Then we check by using this command net user. See how many the users we have in this computer. And this is the user that we have added, comp. What if we want to delete that user? We're going to write net user, the name comp, then slash delete. Then we check net user, and we have deleted the net user. Now, what if we want to change or to deactivate the account? On the first thing, there is a different command that we use. Say net user, then slash question mark. We are going to get all the commands that we use when creating and deleting. Let's say we create net user, name, comp, password, that one. Then let's say there is no password that we want to use. We name the slash active to activate, then full colon, then the name, yes, to activate it. First of all, we add. Then after adding, we activate colon, yes. So account now is active. What if we want to deactivate the account? We write net user, then the name of our account is comp, then put the name active, then the full colon. No. Okay. What if we want now to reset the password of the account? We write net user, then comp, then we put our password, which is 000. That is the password that will. But now what if we want to deactivate or to reset the password? We use the same command. We say net user, then the name comp, then next scenario we use 1 2 3 4 5. We have activated and we have resetted the password. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, please write in the comment. I will answer. Thank you.